Winners. It is Tuesday, September the 16th, and lots happening this morning. We just had retail sales numbers come out for the month of August in the US, and retail sales are up. They were expected to go down, so this is positive news. Retail sales appear to be up for August, and they've revised July numbers up a little bit as well. So maybe the US consumer is still spending and keeping the economy stronger. We've also heard from the US courts that they've blocked President Trump's bid to fire Lisa Cook, and there was a Senate race last night, a Senate vote, that confirmed that Stephen Moran will be added to the list of governors and will attend the interest rate discussion at the Fed's meeting starting today, with the announcement coming out tomorrow. So that's interesting news that will affect the market. We've still got Scott Bessent and others over in Madrid negotiating with China on a trade deal. Nothing coming out of that, but President Trump set to speak with President Xi on Friday. And then we roll through a bunch of headlines. It looks like real estate in New York City area, and particularly in Manhattan, is definitely recovering. Rents are at levels where even the wealthy can't afford them. And we've got other investments from the likes of Brookfield and a number of other larger financial institutions. Credit Suisse announcing, I believe they're going to put $1 billion, $2 billion into a reno of their trading floor center. Lots going on in the New York City real estate area. But if we look at the markets as a whole, we're green in the futures now, with the exception of the Dow, which is still down, but it's recovering. So we'll see whether when we get to 9:30, an hour from now, things will be in the red. We're expecting President Trump to be in the UK tomorrow, and they're going to put on a big song and dance for him on his welcome with Melania. And the goal there, obviously, from the UK's perspective, is to continue to build a bridge on that relationship and strengthen that relationship so that they can keep their trade agreements and percentages of tariffs low, but they can also potentially build some other strategic and synergistic business relationships. Google is just soaring, so I hope you bought Google as recommended a few months ago. This thing is now in the 250s and up again today. Good luck in your trades, and if you like the videos, please hit the like and subscribe button.